E get one school for Nigeria here that they call am Maritime Academy of Nigeria, or the school dey for Nigeria here. Na there they dey train seafarers. Na they dey train for that place. They dey train them on how to sail ship go different countries. E don tey wey the school dey for this country o, but many of una no know am until they come bring one man, one Messiah come. The man name na him be Oga Duja Ima Ifedua. This man, I know say many of una don't know this man. Make una see am, na him be this. This man na me, RUC they call am uncommon transformer. This man don't do many things. He don't try to make sure everything for that school can change, can fine. In fact, the school they compete with international standard. Yes, international standard. In fact, people for Egypt, people for Philippines, people for Romania, they say they won't come this maritime way for Nigeria. Why they won't come? Why they won't come? Why they say they won't come Nigeria? They don't want to go abroad again. They don't want to go. In fact, Nigeria don't become abroad because of that school and because of this man here. This man, this Oga Fedua. We clear road for you. This man don't arrange the management system. Most of them will be safe and I will collect the result. It will take like 4 weeks. They go say go today, come tomorrow. Even the speaker run for you. They go speak. He's read. You don't understand. You go stay for that place for very long time. The man don't change that, you know. You know they again. If you just go, you just be like, every job blessing, you just drive for smooth road. Collect your this one, put your this one here, do this one, sign for here. Before you know, you don't finish, you don't come back house. In fact, if you go in the morning, in the evening, you come back to Lagos. And what the man don't do, now you come make everybody go say, who be this man? Who did do this kind of good thing? The man don't stop for that place. So, you know, don't say for cabin those days. Many of you will be escalated when we say they watch me now as they talk, will be escalated, and know how the matter be now. For cabin, about 24 people go sleep. In fact, we didn't sleep on top of ourselves. In fact, we go sleep for inside cabin where we say we go be 24 people for inside cabin. We know they close door because if we close door, we know go contain us. So we got open door to make some people let their outside. Now that kind of situation, now we dey face that time when we dey for the Maritime Academy of Nigeria. That one, because the new one is there now because of this Oga Duja. In fact, now 2 people now dey for cabin now. 2 people. In fact, you feel roll go that side. 2 people, air conditioner dey for cabin. All of now when you say AC dey for cabin, AC dey for cabin. What the man don't do for Maritime Academy of Nigeria? I know say people like me now and some other escalate already there. When they hustle, how I want to go repeat for that place, and I won't go back there. The man don't change everything the way we don't find. Now so that day we see him for news. This man he buy laptop for all the cadets who dey for school. He can't pay me, say I don't already graduate since 2017. He buy laptop, you know, say me take and they do Yahoo. He say me they use and they study. Now, if you just finish for Maritime Academy of Nigeria, you just finish. You suppose go do IT. But before, now so we go full of papa like cow where they don't know where they go. Carry document up and down. In fact, you go sweat so then sweat go spoil your document. You go need go do another one. But when this man come, you can't just change everything. You see, as you just they finish, they go do your COC, they go do your mandatory, they go do your ISPS for you. In fact, international passport, they go give you. Just carry you go put for vessel, make you do your IT. If you did for classroom for Maritime Academy of Nigeria today, in fact, as AC too much for the class and you dey feel cold, you get one place where they make tea. They go make tea for you for inside class so that make you feel concentrate, make you learn the work well, because you see this ship work, it dey very delicate. You know say that time when we dey for that school, Go dey for Maritime Academy of Nigeria. Sick bay be like where be say you see if you know they talk say Thomas Syring no dey for Aso Rock, paracetamol no dey there for their sick bay o. You know they if two kede dey sick, they will give una one paracetamol, make two of una share. 2 people to one paracetamol. Imagine how they want it well. But now, if you know well, they will give you all the medical attention. All the medical attention when you need, make you just well. Wetin be the goal? So that our cadet go dey healthy. Our cadet go dey mentally sound. Abeg, make we go to the next news. They happen for the next news.